Today I'm going to show you how to create a project or a space in Jira. So what we're going to do, jump straight into Jira. Here on the left hand side you will see quite a different view over here, and what you'll see is spaces. Now these are all drop down menus, so what you want to do is open up spaces to see all of your spaces and everything inside your spaces. So it's from this one here down to here. And quite simply, you want to click on the plus icon. Now from here, you can see that there are some templates made for you. This is based on how similar teams to your team actually works. You can also have a look down over here to literally any type of template. Okay, so let's say you're in finance, you're in design, maybe it's something personal, whatever it is, go ahead, choose one of these templates, the categories, and then here you can actually choose one of these spaces. Okay, so you can start with a blank, but you can start with one of their templates. You can go ahead and give it a name. So let's say how to harbor projects. You can manage your team over here. So if this is team managed, you can select that. You can give private, limited access, depends on what it is that you would prefer here. And then you have your key, okay? So this helps you to choose a descriptive prefix for your space's work item keys to recognize work from this space. Okay, so whatever it is, it's literally taken the first letters over here. That's fine, we're gonna leave it just as is. You can see this is the template that we're looking at. You can see the details as well to see what it actually looks like. But for now, we're going to click on next. Over here, what we're going to do is invite some of our team members, so you can enter names or email addresses. You can also change their roles. If there's nothing to do here, you can just click on I'll do this later. Now, there's something very important that we need to understand. We are seeing the word spaces now. And previously, Jira used to call these projects. So this is how they are remapping all of the ways of choosing what things are called. So if you've ever wanted to create a project, or if you've previously worked in Jira, you will have known projects, but now it's called spaces. Your space is now set up. You can go ahead and create a work item, and this can be anything from tasks, epics, and then you can add new work items over here.